Bakit day 3? Bakit mo cleanose?
Pwede na yan. Para matago yung ano natin.
Is that your skincare?
Yes.
For what?
For my skin. You know, to maintain our,
To hydrate your skin?
to hydrate our skin and to maintain the flawlessness and and the chiness. Dry.
And dry.
Yes.
Okay.
How about you, Doc Jai? Will you take a bath today?
Yeah, take a bath today because we're going to eat brunch.
Where are we going to eat?
I don't know.
You don't know yet.
Yeah, I don't know yet.
But let's look for a very unique restaurant.
Okay, okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi. So, ngayon is mag-breakfast kami rito sa Coffee Lane. So, let's try. Let's go. Come on. Vamonos. Mga bata, anong tawag dito? Ding-ding. Tara.
Tara, let's go inside. Biscoff latte.
Yep.
Ano to?
Scottish latte.
Scottish latte. And then this one.
Rose velvet
Coffee.
Cocomelo. Rose velvet coffee. The coffee with the rose.
So it's gonna be forever. It's gonna go insane. Taste test para sa ating Scottish latte. Lasang Scottish.
See my shirt?
No risk, no story. Yeah, that's why I have a story right here.
Love.
Oh my God. Sarap niya, promise.
Tagal mo na trip.
Nung nakakaraw pa tayo OA, oh my God.
Oh
Ang
my
ganda.
God. You try.
Tama lang yung
Tamis.
bitterness niya, yung pagka-coffee niya, yung sweetness
Sige
niya.
nga.
Nangunguha ko ng biscuits. Char.
Tama lang yung texture niya.
Hindi lang ako.
Kailangan na ng konting
Kurado. Ito tumigil.
Ayoko na. Alis na po tayo.
Magkapa na.
Medyo na-stress ko.
Buwan mo ako dyan. Jai, show them your shirt. It's nice.
Ayaw show yan.
No, you did not.
Bakit mo naging Englishero kayo sa vlog ko?
Because we are practicing. Because
Bisaya na lang tayo, boy. Yes, we're so nahihirapan.
oh yeah.
But like, uy, parang siya.
Ano mga yun?
Ha?
Ano yun?
Kasap yung akin? Yung parang tikman eh.
Tikman ko na.
Hmm?
Ano mali?
Plano nyo, magbabarak mamaya mag-isa, no?
Mali. Sumama na. Ibubugaw ka nga na.
Ah,
Wow!
let's eat. Bon appetit.
Titip dyan mo. Ayoko lang.
Ang aesthetic lang na itong food nila eh.
Ang aesthetic ng ano? Ang aesthetic wait lang.
Creamy butter chicken.
going to buy you a new phone! Maki pa kayo?
Yeah, hi sis.
For you. Dessert. Push. Dalawa na. Ito sa'yo. Why, Doctor? Are you gonna buy one?
Yeah. You can put Maya.
M-A-Y-A.
M-A-Y-A.
So we have like silver and gold. I think we follow the gold color.
Okay.
Ito ang palagay mo parang ganda eh.
Uy, ang ganda.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah, me. Because it's only like 3 letters alone.
But it's good.
It's nice.
Ay, ang ganda mo. Ang ganda nga naman. Oh my God, so pretty. Hello.
Are you happy?
I'm happy that I was thinking like I'm just gonna spend 10,000 in Malaysia. And it turns out